All right. The text today is another one about the Revolutionary War, but it's from the perspective of slaves who are fighting in the Revolutionary War. And the question asks about irony, or why something is ironic. Ironic is just describing irony. So irony, there's a video for you, a YouTube video for you to watch after this to give a little more background because it could be a new concept for you. It's where the outcome of a situation or what someone says is the opposite of what you would expect. So imagine like a firefighter sets a house on fire. We expect firefighters to put out fires, not to set them. Or if it's really cold outside, but someone says, "Isn't it warm today?" It's rather ironic that they would say that. Kind of like sarcasm. Or a cat is chasing a dog, because usually we expect dogs to chase cats. So in this story, think about, okay, slaves are fighting to help the colonists be free. But are slaves free themselves? Or do we expect free people or not free people to like fight for other people's freedom? Right? If people that aren't free themselves are fighting for other people to be free. Okay, that's rather ironic. It shows irony because it's the opposite of what I would expect. I would expect like free people to fight for the free colonists to fight for the freedom when that was some of it, but slaves also were involved in the fighting. Make sure as you read, you write 3 of your thoughts in the margins so that you're engaging with it, questions you have, connections you made, things you wonder, how it makes you feel, etc. And then write in your own words why it's ironic that they're fighting. Notice I did just help you out, but if you need more help, I can do that. Notice the writing got a little weird right here. It should still, hopefully you can still see it. If not, I can help or use the link that's in the Schoology assignment. Also notice sometimes these little 1s, 2s, there's the 3 and the 4. It defines the word if it might be something unknown, like Yankee boys. What are Yankee boys? Patriots. Okay, so people fighting for the colonists. Or when I had a ball pass through my knapsack, meaning a bullet, like a musket ball was a type of bullet. So those are just little notes to help you understand different things. Make sure you watch this video about irony and then go ahead and read the story. And again, we're thinking about the perspective of slaves who fought in the Revolutionary War. Good luck.